clap. And alright. Jasper, stop making noises. I'm recording. Alright. Hey guys, today we're reviewing a product new from CES. Just brought home from Jasper's dad's Las Vegas tour, and he's totally not pointing a gun at me to do this. It's not a tour, by the way. It's something on the other end. Anyways, back to the keyboard. Come back here, cameraman, aka Norman. We're reviewing the $20 wireless keyboard made by generic Chinese brand. Let's get to it. Starting off with the design, this keyboard is made from a matte black finish, and it's really compact comparing to my other keyboards, including an 87 key keyboard, which is like so much bigger. You can see here. Can you see it? Yes. Okay, anyways. This thing also comes with backlight in 5 different colors, and we will be showing that later. This keyboard also features a chiclet styled key structure with very low actuation points, and the key clicks themselves sound pretty good. I would see people using this keyboard for travel purposes because it folds up just like this. It's really compact, and it can be charged and lasts about 8 hours, proclaimed by the manual. And this thing, you can turn it on by the power switch over here, like that. There's a power switch over there, which is really recessed into the keyboard, so you can barely see it. Another feature that it's included with the keyboard is the built-in. Shoot, I can't find it. It comes with a nice little kickstand that you can put your keyboard on to. I don't know what type of person would need this feature because honestly nobody types in this slanted angle, but it's included anyways. I guess you can put your phone there to like do something. Anyways, this thing connects through Bluetooth and USB, and so far testing a Bluetooth connection, it's pretty stable over about 20 feet of connections. I tested it with my phone as well as my tablet, and it can also be used with USB, so you get that stable connection all around. This keyboard also features a very large amount of FN function keys on top, which you can use by pressing FN over here and all of the other F keys to access its alternative functions, as well as, strangely enough, 2 space keys. So I'm thinking that you can probably program it to do 2 different spaces at once. Anyways, there's a light switch that looks like a smart light bulb that you have when you have new ideas, but I totally don't have any new ideas right now. But anyways, this button also controls the brightness, and this whole keyboard itself it feels very light in the hand, and it's generally very sturdily made. I would take this to trips just because of how compact it is comparing to other offerings. Considering how it can be wireless in the same time, it's really compact if you want to use it for on the plane or I don't know, type up a script while you're on the road trip or something. Anyways, thanks for checking out the review. This is our review of the generic Chinese backlit keyboard wireless blah blah blah.